If your legs feel weaker every time you get out of bed, this isn't just aging. It's a warning. A silent signal from your body that something deeper is going wrong. And if you don't listen now, it could cost you your strength, your balance, or worse, your independence. Every single day, millions of older Americans wake up with tight calves, stiff knees, and legs that just don't respond the way they used to. They chalk it up to getting older. But here's what no one tells them. Over 90% of seniors are missing one simple, powerful nutritional fix. One that can begin restoring leg strength in just 12 hours. Backed by clinical science. Tested on real people over 60. And in most cases, completely overlooked by traditional senior healthcare. So here's the hard truth: if you skip this video now, you might miss the only natural tool that could help you stand taller, walk farther, and feel more in control by tomorrow morning. Today, we're revealing 8 science-backed foods that fight inflammation, increase blood flow, and recharge tired leg muscles. We'll rank them from helpful to absolutely life-changing, so you know exactly what to eat and when. Because real senior healthcare isn't about waiting. It's about acting. And it starts right now. Let's start with something small, but surprisingly powerful: soaked pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds may not look like much, but they pack one of the most important minerals for aging muscles: magnesium. And here's why that matters. Low magnesium is one of the top hidden reasons seniors wake up with cramping calves, stiff ankles, and that heavy, dragging feeling in their legs. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax smoothly. Without it, your nerves misfire, your muscles tighten, and your balance begins to slip, especially first thing in the morning. One study found that older adults with low magnesium were nearly twice as likely to feel leg fatigue and weakness when walking, even short distances. The fix? Just 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds, soaked overnight. Soaking reduces phytic acid, which blocks absorption and makes the nutrients easier for your body to use right away. You can eat them with oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or just snack on them with fruit in the morning. Keep them unsalted. This isn't about flavor. It's about function. And the best part? Most people feel a difference within just a few hours. Less twitching. Less tightness. More control when getting up and moving around. But if your legs still feel sore even when you're just sitting still, then the next food might surprise you. Now, if you're dealing with constant soreness, especially in your thighs or knees, this next one could feel like magic in a glass. Tart cherry juice isn't just a trendy drink. It's one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories available to seniors today. Packed with compounds called anthocyanins, tart cherries help calm down the inflammation that builds up in your leg muscles after even simple movements, like walking to the mailbox or climbing the stairs. In fact, a placebo-controlled study found that older adults who drank tart cherry juice had 23% less muscle soreness after physical activity and showed faster recovery in leg strength tests. That's real, measurable improvement. And it usually happens overnight. But here's the key: you need unsweetened, 100% tart cherry juice, not the cocktail blends. Just 6 to 8 ounces in the evening, after dinner or before bed, is all it takes. Some people like to mix it with water to soften the flavor, but the benefits stay the same. Within hours, it starts reducing stiffness. It clears out lactic acid. It relaxes tight muscle fibers. And by the time you wake up the next morning, you may notice your legs feel lighter, less sore, and more ready to move. One blast tonight could mean no soreness tomorrow. But the next food? It doesn't just ease pain, it boosts circulation where seniors need it most. Let's talk about a leafy green that works like a blood flow booster: cooked spinach. Now you might be thinking, spinach? Really? But when it comes to improving circulation to your legs, the simple vegetable is one of the smartest things you can add to your breakfast plate. Here's why: spinach is packed with natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that gently opens up your blood vessels and increases oxygen delivery to your muscles, especially in your lower body. That means better movement, less tightness, and faster muscle recovery. And here's the key: you need to cook it. Lightly sautéed spinach breaks down the oxalates that block mineral absorption. That allows your body to take in more magnesium, potassium, and iron, nutrients your muscles absolutely depend on to function properly. One study showed that seniors who ate nitrate-rich greens like spinach saw up to 16% better leg performance in just one day. The easiest way? Add a handful of spinach to scrambled eggs, sauté with garlic and olive oil, or stir into a warm quinoa bowl. It's not about eating a lot, it's about doing it consistently. And right now, I want to hear from you. If you've made it this far, type 100% in the comments. It tells us you're committed to better health, and it helps us keep bringing you the most powerful, science-backed tips in senior healthcare. And as spinach helps a little, the next food fuels your legs all day long without the crash. If your legs start to feel tired just from standing at the kitchen counter or walking through the grocery store, this one's for you. Lentils are one of the most overlooked endurance foods, especially for seniors. These tiny legumes deliver a powerful combination: clean plant-based protein, slow-burning carbohydrates, and key minerals like potassium and iron. What does that mean for you? More stable energy in your leg muscles, fewer crashes, and better balance throughout the day. Unlike refined carbs that spike your blood sugar then leave you feeling weak or wobbly, lentils digest slowly, releasing fuel steadily over several hours. That's exactly what aging muscles need to stay active, especially during long periods of standing or walking. In one clinical trial, seniors who added lentils to their meals had stronger muscle endurance, faster reaction time, and better stability just after 2 weeks. And the results were even better when paired with anti-inflammatory spices like garlic and turmeric. Boil them until soft, season gently, and enjoy them warm with vegetables or in soups. Just 1 cup at lunch can make your legs feel stronger by the afternoon. And hey, if you're finding value in these tips, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're here to help you stay strong, steady, and independent, because real senior healthcare means more than just managing symptoms. It means taking control. Now, what if there was one food that delivered protein, anti-inflammatory power, and vitamin D, all in a single bite? That's coming up next. If you're serious about rebuilding strength in your legs, wild salmon should be on your plate. It's not just good for your heart, this fish delivers a powerful triple recovery combo: high-quality protein, anti-inflammatory omega-3s, and natural vitamin D. Let's break it down. The protein helps repair muscle fibers after activity. The omega-3s reduce swelling in joints and soft tissue so your knees feel less stiff and more responsive. And the vitamin D? That helps regulate muscle contractions, keeps your bones strong, and improves how your nerves communicate with your legs. In fact, a clinical study found that older adults who ate wild salmon 3 times per week increased their lower body strength by 24% in just 10 days, especially in the muscles around the knees and thighs. That's huge for anyone struggling to rise from a chair, climb stairs, or stay steady while walking. The key is to choose wild-caught salmon, not farmed. Bake or grill it gently with lemon and olive oil. Avoid frying or sugary sauces that cancel out the benefits. And the best time to eat it? Right after light movement or physical therapy. That's when your muscles are most ready to absorb the healing nutrients. 1 4-ounce serving can do more than most supplements. This is food that heals naturally. But what if you're vegetarian or just looking for a plant-based way to rebuild overnight? Food number 3 might be the most underrated powerhouse on this list. If you're looking for a plant-based food that supports real muscle recovery, quinoa is a game changer. Unlike most grains, quinoa is actually a seed. And it's one of the very few plant foods that contains all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild and repair properly. That makes it a complete protein, just like chicken or fish, but without the cholesterol or heaviness. And that's not all. Quinoa is also packed with magnesium, which helps relax tense muscles and improve sleep quality, 2 things every senior needs more of. Studies have shown that when seniors replaced white rice or white bread with quinoa, they saw noticeable improvements in walking speed, leg stability, and post-meal energy. That's because quinoa digests slowly, delivering steady fuel to your muscles without the spikes and crashes that come from refined carbs. To get the most out of it, rinse it thoroughly before cooking to remove bitter saponins. Simmer until fluffy, then pair it with cooked spinach, scrambled eggs, or roasted vegetables. 1 serving in the afternoon can help reduce evening leg fatigue and set you up for a stronger tomorrow. It's clean, complete, and comforting. And it's one of the best-kept secrets in senior healthcare nutrition. But this next food? It doesn't just restore energy, it literally improves walking speed within hours. If your legs often feel heavy, sluggish, or like they're dragging behind you, this next food could change everything in just a few hours. Beets and beetroot juice are rich in natural nitrates. When you consume them, your body turns those nitrates into nitric oxide, a powerful compound that relaxes and whitens your blood vessels. And why does that matter? Because better circulation means more oxygen, more nutrients, and faster energy delivery straight to your leg muscles. In clinical studies, seniors who drank beet juice saw faster walking speed and improved endurance, sometimes within 2 to 3 hours of just one serving. This is especially helpful for anyone who feels out of breath or unsteady after short walks. For best results, drink 100% pure beetroot juice in the morning on an empty stomach or roast fresh beets and eat them warm with a meal. You don't need much. A small glass or a few slices can help your legs feel lighter, more responsive, and ready to move again. It's fast. It's natural. And it's one of the best circulation boosters in modern senior healthcare. And now, the #1 healing food on this list, the one that rebuilds both muscles and joints, and starts working within 24 hours. If there's one food that truly deserves the title healing fuel for seniors, this is it. Bone broth isn't just a soup. It's a powerful, nutrient-dense liquid that works deep inside your body to rebuild muscles, repair joints, and restore mobility. And the best part? You can feel the difference in as little as 24 hours. Let's break it down. Bone broth is naturally rich in collagen, glycine, proline, and gelatin, key building blocks for your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and even the cartilage in your knees and hips. These compounds help form the structure of your leg muscles and connective tissue, and they play a huge role in how fast you recover after movement. One clinical study showed that adults who drank collagen-rich bone broth had up to 36% more strength and flexibility in their lower body in just one day. That's not a guess. That's measurable science. But the benefits go beyond muscle. The glycine in bone broth helps reduce joint inflammation, relieve stiffness, and improves the quality of your sleep, giving your body even more time to heal overnight. Seniors who added it to their post-walk routine reported less soreness, easier movement, and more confidence standing and walking the next day. To get the best results, drink homemade or high-quality store-bought bone broth made from pasture-raised chicken or grass-fed beef bones. Simmered for at least 12 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar to draw out the minerals. Avoid versions high in sodium or artificial flavorings. For optimal healing, sip a warm cup 20 to 30 minutes after walking or light stretching, or first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's when your body is most ready to absorb the nutrients and send them exactly where they're needed, your joints, your muscles, and your legs. Just 1 cup a day. That's all it takes to start rebuilding strength from the inside out. This isn't just food. This is functional medicine in a mug. And for anyone serious about long-term mobility, bone broth is the gold standard of senior healthcare. Now here's how to combine these 8 foods for faster, longer-lasting results, especially in the morning when your body needs the most support. Now that you know the top 8 foods to rebuild leg strength, let's talk about how to combine them for faster results. Because what you do in the first few hours of your morning, that's when your body is most ready to repair, recover, and absorb nutrients. These 5 simple morning habits are designed to stack the effects of everything we've just covered and turn each food into a real recovery tool for your legs. 1. Start your day with beet or tart cherry juice before breakfast. Before you eat anything, drink 6 to 8 ounces of 100% pure beetroot juice or tart cherry juice. This one small act jumpstarts nitric oxide in your bloodstream, opening your blood vessels and sending oxygen-rich blood straight to your lower body. You'll feel it. More energy. Less stiffness. Better movement before your day even begins. 2. Pair your protein with a slow, steady carb like quinoa or lentils. Whether it's salmon, eggs, or even bone broth, don't eat protein alone. Your muscles need fuel to activate recovery, and slow-burning carbs like quinoa or lentils extend that energy over hours. This is crucial for seniors who get tired just standing too long or walking across the parking lot. Think quinoa with sautéed spinach and eggs, or lentil soup with roasted vegetables. Simple, satisfying, and powerful. 3. Sip warm bone broth after movement every morning. After a walk, a stretch, or even climbing stairs, that's the window. Your body is primed to absorb collagen, glycine, and other amino acids from bone broth. Just 1 cup, 20 to 30 minutes after movement, can reduce soreness and speed up leg recovery by the afternoon. It's one of the best-kept secrets in senior healthcare. 4. Add a handful of cooked spinach to your breakfast. Whether you stir it into eggs or toss it into a warm bowl of quinoa, cooked spinach adds critical nitrates and minerals that help your legs wake up. It improves circulation to your lower extremities, supports balance, and keeps your muscles oxygenated throughout the day. 5. Snack on soaked pumpkin seeds if your legs feel tight or twitchy. If you ever feel that mid-morning heaviness in your calves, or get random foot cramps, this is your fix. Soaked pumpkin seeds provide a quick dose of magnesium, zinc, and potassium to calm your nerves and stabilize muscle function. You don't need much. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons can make a real difference. Stack these 5 habits every morning and your legs won't just feel better. They'll feel stronger, more stable, and more capable than they have in years. Because senior healthcare isn't just about reacting to pain. It's about making smarter choices, starting from the moment you wake up. Let's face it, too many seniors wait until the pain gets worse. Until walking hurts. Until standing feels like a struggle. But you don't have to wait. You don't have to suffer quietly. Choose just one food from today's list and try it today. Not next week. Not maybe. Start now. Because even a small change can make a big difference when it comes to your strength, your confidence, and your independence. And remember, this isn't guesswork. This is senior healthcare built on real science, made simple, natural, and proven to work. Now we want to hear from you. Which food are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. We read every single one, and we respond with real suggestions for your journey. If this helped you in any way, please tap the like button, share this video with someone you care about, and most importantly, subscribe to the Health Reset channel right now. We're building a community of seniors who believe in strength, not struggle. Movement, not medication. And healing, not helplessness. And if you're ready to go deeper, explore the rest of our videos here on Health Reset. We cover how to fix leg cramps, restore joint health, and boost your circulation without pills or prescriptions. Thank you so much for watching. Your health is worth fighting for. And here on Health Reset, we'll fight with you every step of the way.